EG5 Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
So good morning everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes here, and this morning we are at the Manchester Airport Runway Visitor Park. It's Sunday the 20th of June, which is also Father's Day quite across the globe. So happy Father's Day to any of the dads that are watching, especially if you are a fellow av geek. Just waiting for a Lufthansa to arrive. Should be with us very shortly. And here we have Lufthansa. Back to the terminal. Okay, Josh. So here we've got an A320neo for Air Portugal, and she is off to Lisbon. Obviously Portugal was on the green list until recently, so there was lots of flights going in and out from EasyJet and Ryanair, but now she's back on the amber list.
Particular aircraft is registered in Portugal.
So it's quite a striking livery, isn't it? It's the red and green logo.
Code numbers, anything from the UK will be G-dash or Golf dash.
Okay, as you can see, we're on 05 operations today, so she's taken off from 05 left. Manchester has two runways, 05 left, 05 right, but due to reduced operations, they're just using 05 left today. Anyway, here she goes. So quiet. Aircraft these days are much quieter than when I first started plane spotting. You used to get your ears blasted off by the BAC 111s and the Tridents, Jumbos. Great times. So we've got a Jet 2 here, 737-800, and it's going to Edinburgh. So we're quite busy over the next few minutes. So we've got this, we've got a KLM, we've got a Turkish. So yeah, stand by for a bit of footage. Oh, that's nice of him. Pilot just waved, I don't know if you saw that. Always a nice touch. Yeah, Brussels, very, very cool logo. Going back to Brussels, believe it or not. And we've also got a KLM directly behind it as well. So it's getting a bit like Heathrow here today, which is pretty cool. So got a KLM 737-700, and that's going back to Amsterdam. Arrived earlier this morning. Well, I was having my bacon butty, and now she's on her way back home. Not often you see two planes following each other down the taxiway, given the current restrictions on aviation movement, so it's always quite nice to see.
I quite fancy the electronic dance music festival at Boot.
And you can see the KLM also lined up on 05 left. So that's actually a great shot to see three aircraft or moving at the same time. She goes off to sunny Edinburgh.
That's the direction that the aircraft is
There's
heading.
the Brussels Airlines going back to Brussels.
05 left, you're
From
heading
Brussels.
050 degrees from north.
How many more times can I say Brussels? Anyway, quite a striking logo. Wow, well, that's quite a short takeoff, must be very light. And undercarriage up. And off she goes. But by no means least at the moment, here's the KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, in a striking blue. Hiding behind the speakers at the moment. Here she goes. Got a Turkish A330G in a few minutes as well for takeoff, which will be quite a nice capture. EasyJet's off. Oh, coming this way. Let's have a look, see where she's due to go. Oh, and here is the AirFrance hop as well, my word. It's an Embraer E170 you might have heard there. Turkish A330 on its way to Istanbul, and the EasyJet's off to Jersey, just giving away to her. Lots and lots of things going on this morning. Awesome. Another shot there with 3 aircraft in.
Neo
This is
standing
great.
for the new engine option.
Like
as you could hear, it's
in the good old days.
considerably quieter than the
There's the AirFrance hop going. Back to Charles de Gaulle. It's a nice little aircraft, the E170, isn't it? Either heavy or just taking it easy. Sunday morning. What blasting off is there? The Turkish lining up now. 105 left. It's a beautiful aircraft, isn't it? Great colour scheme and really nice aircraft to look at, the A330.
Sell them at the price.
still overcast.
Goes to beautiful engines. Graceful is that? just waiting now for wake separation. Obviously the A330 is considerably larger than the A320neo, so there's going to be a couple of minutes just whilst they let the wake vortices calm down. Clearance now, so expect a bit of noise. Mind you, not really, because these neos are very quiet, aren't they? That was very short takeoff. Off to Jersey, as I said. Can't many people going there. Can't say I've ever been, to be honest. It's supposed to be nice. Wheels up, and we've got the Iberia, Spanish airline, A320neo, going back to Madrid. Not see very many people on there, as it's in the amber zone at the moment, but we'll see. Very cool. Engines, like I say, so quiet these days, just make a different noise than the old rocket blasters that used to be back in the late 70s, early 80s. Don't get the big black plumes of smoke behind them when they take off, like the burning coal. Yeah, Iberia has just been given clearance for takeoff. So hopefully she'll blast off into the sunset. Here we go. Quite a short takeoff again. That came in earlier, going back to Frankfurt. And we've got the Emirates 777. It's going to be
A319, which is shortly be departing back to Frankfurt.
Yeah, sorry, we've got Emirates 777 just on final now. Just waiting for that to appear. We should just see the Lufthansa come back into view. Yeah, there she is. There, look at that.
Can you do a favour for me?
The aircraft now arriving. On your right is an Emirates Flight 17.
Is it Emirates 777?
777 Series 300.
Wow.
Aircraft is a cargo flight, so no passengers.